Hi guys, welcome. Oh, there's a dog. We're going to pick some veggie for Samantha. Yee. And this big dog coming here. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, there's some chalks. Wow, I love this area. Here, look at that. There's some chalks. It's a nice area mark here. We're just gonna pick some budgie. Oh yeah. Oh, I like the blue one. Hi.
And then you've got this little fella here on the right hand side.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Sam, what do you want?
Which one do you want, Sam?
3 or 4?
I like the blue one.
Oh yeah, so you've only got, in that side of things, you've got the white and the green, which are down the back row.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
These two. They're the two babies.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And then obviously the little yellow here and the green, and then the little olive top.
Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Come
here.
No, she's not gonna hurt you, mate. She's a good boy. She was trained to.
Oh, Gally, come here. Over here. Over here.
All right.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. Anna, you sort it out. Get away from the young girl, please.
Okay, yep. Now, what do we want? 3 or 4?
I don't know. You want 3 or you want 4?
You got 4 or you got somebody else coming?
No, that's it. There's 4 there, so you got obviously those all. Yeah. 3 there, so you've got 5 to choose from.
Yeah.
5 to choose from.
The white one?
Yep.
You want the green one?
Yeah, I like the green one.
And you want
that one?
the yellow one and the olive one?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
Perfect. Yep, got cash. So.
Yeah, no drums at all. I'll keep them to the hard part.
Yeah.
They're very cute, aren't they?
Okay.
The dog likes you now. The dog likes you. It's a good area. It's very quiet here. That's it.
Hey, they can catch the birds.
Yeah. Too big of it. I've got a big in there, but it's too big. Yeah. You can't get a strike one, so the easiest one is this with obviously with the whip.
Yeah.
So,
it's a catch it.
you're lucky enough, yeah.
It's like catching a fish, isn't it? Yeah. Like, it's alright. Come on. It's okay. It's alright.
Well done.
Oh my god, look at this dog. They're so cute. Trisha, you need some.
Why not put that here if you want, and it makes it easier than come out every time.
Oh yeah. No. She wants to eat it, I think.
Oh, that's a couple of days making a cage, mate.
Yeah.
I like their chocolate. They lay eggs now. Actually, they lay eggs.
Yeah, there, that's it.
Oh. Scratching it. That's a baby one. Oh. Cute. Oh.
You know you're going somewhere, don't you?
Yeah, gotcha. Ooh, look at that.
Ow. Right, come on, mate. He yells on her. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah, wow.
So the yellow and the
And olive one, yeah, mate. Yeah.
Get a bit
not too bad, actually.
The dog's got him. Hey?
Yellow, get out.
Go eat it.
Yep. That's a little bluey olive.
Yeah, that's perfect, mate. No worries.
All right.
Oh.
So the one I just put in there is just come out probably about 4 days now out of nest.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah.
very young.
Oh, that's alright. They can do it.
No, sorry, the white one is male, and the other green one is male. I think the one I just put in then is a female.
Oh,
No, still early days, but the other two definitely male.
Doesn't matter, we're going to get ourselves a little
The
bit.
males are a lot easier to train for talking and
Yeah, that's what I said. 4 hours is a male.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Just put that.
Yeah, I definitely think this is a female.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah. 2 male and
2 female.
2 female.
Gally, get out.
They're gonna have to put some spoon wine reservation so they are doing it at the moment. Ah, you love to eat it, don't you?
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Oh, that's great, mate.
Oh, enjoy it.
Oh, thank you.
Happy now that I've got 3 or 4. Well, 5 now.
Oh, yeah.
You've only got the 2 breeds.
Yeah, I've only just literally I've got a few myself from a friend, and I'll put a box in there, and then these are the 2 females, the yellow and sort of I say the mustard, and they is these. So it's funny that if you have a look here at the, so the father of these ones here is, you can't see him. He's the one that's standing tall in this one, the yellow. He's the father, and the mother's the mustardy coloured one, and they produce the whites. So they've got, I think there's lots of strange things. There's a whole chain as into recessive and dominant and all that stuff. And you never know what you're going to get. Basically.
No, that's right.
It is. It's
Look at the
fantastic.
chicken. Oh, tonight? Oh, okay.
Coastal areas, so we'll probably get just a little bit of it.
Yeah, yesterday it was hot. Oh my god. Did it?
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh yes. You bought some.
Magnificent.
What's that crate for?
Wow.
Eh?
What's that crate there for? The
What?
the
That's the
block.
water.
Oh, okay. Oi!
You better not. You're hopping in.
You stay there forever.
They'll fly away if you do.
Look, we closed the.
Quick, shut the door.
No, it won't stay open. I need
You want me to get in there? No.
Yeah, someone needs to get in there.
No.
You know there's a hook? There is.
They won't come out of the cage for a while.
How do you know?
Right, and fly
they might.
straight out the door.
Then you're going to have to pull it up and get out of the door really quickly.
Oh no, you're going to fly. Oh no, not yet. Have to put some peg in it. No?
Yeah, you got a peg?
Oh, I got some peg here. Quick, quick, quick. Right there.
Needs.
That's what you need.
Pigs are amazing.
Yes. I use that for Samantha's hair too sometimes. Oh yeah. I don't think so they know how to get up. No.
Oh, there's one. Nearly got there.
What about Sam? You go inside there, Sam, and let them out.
Do you want to, Sam?
That was you. No?
One will find his way out, and then the others go, oh, that's how you get out.
Hi. Come on, get on now so you can have it. They were just like, what's going on?
Now you need to put your finger in there and get in and out.
Maybe you could do that.
Can you get in there?
No, you're
Or you
biting
just
and
have to tap the back of the cage, maybe. And tip them out.
What about you? You get them one by one, Dad? No? Catch. You gotta have the. Okay, sige.
Oh, there's one, look.
Oh yeah, there. Quick, get out. Get in. Get in, get out.
He's happy he's calling the rest now.
Oh yeah. I think they like honey too in the bread. Is it? No.
Just do some research. Like there might be
Because we used
some
to.
vegetables that they like
Ah yeah.
carrots or apples or something. But
Ah, okay.
research because I can't remember now. It's too long ago.
Just pull them out. I'm very excited.
Come on, mate. There you go.
Well, that one's the smart one, that green one.
Maybe
Nearly.
Come on. Oh, I like the yellow one. Oh yes, it's going out. Two to go. Come on.
It's going to change colour even more, I think.
Is it? Oh yeah.
Huh?
The white one is like a cockatoo.
Go on, off you go.
Touch it, Dad. Maybe she's just.
He doesn't want to.
Get her, get her, get her, get her.
Come on. How'd you get?
Careful.
Careful.
You don't want to hurt them.
No, I don't want to hurt them.
You need to be careful.
You need to get your hands
Get
inside.
out the way, come on.
He's sitting there.
Oh, let's.
Come on. How'd you get? You silly little thing.
Ah, there you go. Oh, yes.
Whoa, he's trying to get up on the bed. Oh!
Oh, yeah, nearly there.
Just need to go a little bit
Oh,
lower.
I like that green one.
I like that greenish. I like that green one.
This one here, that it will turn to purple. The one there. This one.
It could
They
turn.
used to get this
Yeah, it could turn blue,
a
actually.
blue or a purple. I don't know
Yeah,
because it's still a bit young.
yeah.
So
I think that yellow one might change
Got
a
a
bit
blue
too.
up the top of the beak.
yeah,
there.
yeah.
That's a
No.
boy.
Wow, that's
Is it?
Yeah,
Mm.
blue means boy, brown means female.
Okay.
So
No.
you've got two boys.
two
We've got
girls.
4 boys.
Oh, that's good. We can
Hopefully
breed.
the other two will be female.
No, that is chicken. Oh, okay. She's getting.
Oh my god.
Just turn that side there and just get them out with your hand.
Yeah, just about.
Just catch
Turn the
them.
cage upside down.
Catch them, and that's it. Quick, quick. Oh, don't squeeze them out.
Huh?
Oh,
Whoa, he's a pretty one, that one.
Oh, that one is a bit of a mama's girl.
Oh, he's got blue under its wings.
Yeah.
oh my god.
Get out now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Um,
let him rest. Let him rest. Okay, open it.
Get out. Quick, quick. You're too big. Put some luck in it. Somebody will just go into.